Customer complaint with the Dometic furnace was it would blow for a little while, but it would never get hot. It would never blow hot. So I know when a furnace blows for, around 45 seconds or so and shuts down, that's your limit sale circuit. Something's wrong in that circuit. And you can see here the board's flashing a 1 code which says airflow limit fault. And this furnace didn't have an exterior door. It was pretty difficult to get to. You can see it's buried behind all that plumbing. So I had to just loosen it up. They also threw this dent in at no extra charge, along with this construction debris. So to test which one's bad, the limit switch or the sales switch, you want to make sure that you have the same voltage on both sides of the switch while the furnace is running. With these new Dometics, it's almost always the sales switch. And since they started putting the sales switch on the outside of this case here, you can see it attracts a lot of debris. We had one customer that had this red fuzzy blanket in his coach, and he would come in about once a week and we'd have to clean off all this red fuzz off the sales switch. We told him to get rid of the blanket. They also have this sleeve that they put around the exhaust pipe, and the limit switch is right back there, and those wires will lay on that and they can short out there, so that's why that sleeve is there. And then here's some footage of the sales switches on the ohm meter. You can see them jumping around, and these are from some other sales switches from other furnaces. You can see they just aren't keeping a steady closed circuit there. The new sales switch comes with these instructions, and you can see that they are slightly different. And up close you'll see here's the old one, and then the new one. You can see they put a little slot there, so hopefully that's going to take care of some of those issues. And this is after the new one was installed and it's lighting now. These connectors here, this bell connector, I've replaced more of these in an RV than anything else. I really don't like them. I like lever nuts just fine, but in this case I didn't have any, so wire nut and tape. I touched that wire and the furnace came on. That's why I replaced all those. And then whenever you're dealing with the propane lines, you want to make sure you use a backup wrench. And then I always use some type of propane sniffer and a leak detector. I don't make my own soap. I don't recommend that you mix your own soap. Get one that's made to detect that type of leak. If you don't mix it right, you might not see bubbles. So this stuff is elastic and made to be able to spray on this type of piping. So I just squirted it down pretty good on both sides, made sure I didn't have a leak. So it's something you don't want to attempt if you're not familiar with propane or propane lines. You probably don't want to attempt that repair if you have to pull that out. Would have been nice if there was an access door on the outside for that furnace. That repair would have been done so much quicker with that door there. So thanks for watching.